Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Becky Selman with Becky Selman's Art Studio. How's everybody doing? Doing pretty good. As you can tell, this is not a 20 by 20. I got knocked down a little bit. So, kind of going back a little bit, which is okay. I'm doing a little bit of a regroup. So, anyway, I'm going back small to get my head together. So, anyway, I wanted to come and show y'all this really cool thing that I learned I could do with mix. So the house paint. And it'll still work. But I found these really cool trays. They're like knick-knack trays. Nuts and bolt trays. They're little. I mean, they're not real big. They're the size of the palm of my hand. But you can pour in them. You can create a bloom in here. And like with house paint, you can pick it up with a card and kind of shimmy the card underneath it. And you kind of won't mess up the pattern on the top. Well, I was trying to find a way to use it with mix. And I bought these thinking I could do like a tree ring in it. And then like that. Kind of like a dustpan pour. Like on a small scale. So instead of using cards and stuff, I could have, it's got its own little, spout that it uses. And I've just reused this because it already had paint in it and it was the colors that I was going to use anyway. So I wanted the same kind of color to come through. So I just added colors. So what I did is I added the colors that I used last night that went horribly wrong. So this is sketch paper on the edges, the gray. This is paint Porridge Posse's purple shimmer. This is pine green turquoise blue by Liquitex. This is Deco Art Aqua Flash. And I'm going to use a cell activator. And I'm going to blow around. And it's going to create, and it's going to be really neat. Sorry. Come on. And I can, because I'm going to make a bloom, it's just going to stay right here. And I'm going to pour it here. But I'm going to spin this out to thin it. So just give me a second. Thank you. Then I'm going to spin it kind of to give it a, because I don't want my ribbon to really, to kind of go anywhere. I kind of want it to just be flat. You know what I mean? So I'm going to just kind of edge it out to the sides. Where are you going? Okay. So I'm just going to give it a good coat. I'm just going to spin it out. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to pour my bloom, my cell activator in it, which is this. I'm just going to use white. I'm going to pop these bubbles in this. Okay. All this is 7-to-1 mix pour. Y'all know I'm a mix girl. Y'all shouldn't even have to ask me what I use. But if I ever use something different, I will say. But I do use mix. I'll let that sit for just a second. Give it a good little time to get that halo effect. And now I'm going to blow off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you my bloom. It's coming. And the thing about this tray is I like it because the paints pull up quicker, because the paints do not go anywhere. They go back down into the center. So you can blow as hard as you want, and the paints are going to come right back. And you're still going to get, oh, sorry. And you're still going to get cells. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to show you. Watch. It's going to be replaced with different color cells. It's going to come right back up. I can even blow to the pink if I blow hard enough. But I'm just going to try to blow a lot of this chunky white out. I'm sorry, guys. I keep forgetting where the camera is angled. Okay, so I think that's good enough. What do y'all think? I'm not going to wreck it because it's going to wreck itself. I'm going to blow out this. See, you're just going to get cells everywhere because the paint's thick. It's going to go. It's just going to work. And it eventually might not, the more you blow. Okay, so, but I'm done. Ooh, I like that. Do y'all see that? It looks like it looks like a flower right there. Well, anyway, I can't do anything else about this because it's fixing to go over the top of this. I'm going to try to spin more of this off. Oh, shoot. Y'all, I'm not used to sitting down when doing this. Okay. All right, guys. So, moment of truth. Let's see if I can do this. It's got to go slow. Because it's got to go that big thing. It's got to angle down. Okay, here we go. It's all coming. There we go. I've got enough in my cup to do another. Okay. We'll bring y'all down a little bit more. We can get this done. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna have to spin this out because this is I got a little, this is some, now it's gonna spin out, but I hope it's not going to, there we go. I hope it's not going to lose the shape. This is experiment. We're gonna try it. I don't think it is. I think the ribbon is just gonna get bigger. And I'll have to touch the sides up, but. They kind of got bigger, but it's not that bad. I like that. Looks a lot like those transfers that people are doing with the house paint. That's what I was going for. So this can be done with mix. And this is a couple day old cell activator. So it's not fresh. I just didn't want to, I want to use this up. So I'm going to bring y'all in for a closer view. And tell me what y'all think. I know that's kind of... But mix holds lines so well. It really does. So what do y'all think? Alright, talk to you later. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to know where you can get these trays at, this tray, you have to go on Etsy. It's a shop called Life is 3D Shop. I think they're out of Canada. I'm not real sure, but you can find them other places. But I found a stack of 4. This comes in a stack of 4. I think multicolors if you want. I just got white, so I can just wash them out. It's not a problem. But my set come in a set of 4. So, and then you could either get this size, or you could get, there's a size smaller. There's a little size that'll fit. There's a size that'll fit inside this one. So, I used the larger of the 2. Anyway, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And share this video or my other videos on your social media. That way others can view my videos and like and share and all that good jazz. So y'all have a good day. Have a good weekend. And Merry Christmas. Bye.